Hello my lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I lose belly fats in just 1 week. I didn't use so many drinks, I didn't drink so many things. I just use normal routine and normal radio every morning, and it's worked for me. So I'm going to show you now how you're going to do it, and it will give you that shape. You're going to lose the fats and everything, and it will flatten your tummy. Even your waist will be loose within just week if you follow this routine I'm going to show you. So this routine I'm going to tell you now will flatten your tummy in just 1 week, and you don't have to diet, you don't have to drink so many things. It will work for you. Just give it a try. So let me show you how I do it every morning.
Yes, first thing I do is I drink 1 cup of water every time I wake up in the morning, very early in the morning. Let me say around 6:30 a.m. I always drink 1 cup of water to keep my body in shape. Water helps to boost metabolism, and it keeps our body hydrated, thereby flushing out toxins from the body. And another one, after drinking this water, another thing I will do before eating is that I will get a lemon and a warm water. First thing, I will have to cut my lemon into 2 just to squeeze out the juice from it. And you know, lemon water is a good detox water ever. So you have to squeeze out the lemon juice inside this warm water. Lemon also helps to boost metabolism like water. This lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants, which helps the body in many ways. Poor digestion makes someone to gain weight, so this lemon can help to easily get any food we take to be digested very fast. So I have to drink it. Lemon is low in sodium, it also contains low cholesterol, and makes a good remedy for weight loss.
Yes, welcome back. Now you have seen how I do it. It doesn't have to be dieting, it has to be how you take good care of yourself. You know, water helps to boost metabolism, and that's why it's very good. And you know that this lemon is the best detox water ever. So that's how we are going to do it, and it will help to boost your metabolism, and it will help you to lose weight. Please, like I said, you don't have to eat anything that people tell you, do this one, drink this, eat this one for losing weight, to lose very fast. So it hasn't gotten to that extent. So you can just do it as a normal routine. Always drink water. You know, water helps to keep the body hydrated, and once we are hydrated, it will help to remove toxin from your body. And when toxin is being flushed out from your body, it will help to keep your body in a healthy way, and you will look very, very good. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Please see you on my next video. And before I forgot, there's a link down my description. It's from my description. So it's my website. You can actually click on that link and ask me any question you want, and I'll answer you there. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Thanks.